I'm standing in front of Brighton's hottest new listing coming to the market soon, renovated from top to bottom, located in one of Southeast Michigan's most desirable neighborhoods. You're going to want to check this one out. One thing you'll notice about this home, at over 3,700 square feet, space is definitely not an issue. We have 4 very large bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms, 1 half bathroom, as well as a bunch of bonus extra rooms for you to customize to your liking. We have 4-car garage, 2-car on that side, 2-car right here. And also this one in specific leads to a beautiful French door out to your patio area. And speaking of storage, this home has tons of closets and pantries for you to store your items. Very nicely done. Stepping on another set of beautiful French doors, we enter in this wonderful sunroom, which leads out to another set of 2-tier decks with your private backyard view and pond. We're here on the upper level with the 4 very large bedrooms we talked about. We're going to show you those in a second. 2 full baths and just a beautiful look of the chandelier here. And welcome now to the primary bedroom, where we have super nice bonus large area you can build out to whatever you'd like. We do have the his and hers closet for the modern day hers and hers, and also of course your bathroom with soaker tub, stand-up shower, and dual vanity. We're standing on the other side of the home now, and this bedroom is particularly cool because it does lead to another set of staircase to your garage on the side, as well as into another large bonus storage room. The 3rd and 4th bedrooms are here located on the back side of the home, so you have the nice private backyard and pond view, and this room also has access to the 2nd full bathroom upstairs. And if all that upstairs wasn't enough storage for you, we're now on the walkout lower level. We have beautiful daylight windows, we have really high ceilings, and a great opportunity for you to customize and add anything you'd like to do down here. Another fantastic aspect about this home is it does sit on 1 acre of land, and you have this really nice large open courtyard type space. You could do whatever you'd like there as well. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested to see this home in particular, please reach out, or if you'd like to learn more about the community of Brighton, we're happy to talk. Thanks so much.